Let's make a delightful yet guilt-free dark chocolate almond mousse. See you on the inside. Hey, it's Chef Alexia. I help people to learn how to cook. Make sure that you subscribe and you will find the recipe below. Let's make this chocolate mousse. So it's very simple. I'm gonna get a blender and I'm choosing a tall one with a very deep blade so we have enough room for it to wiggle. You could also use a regular blender. We will start with some almond milk because this is an almond chocolate mousse. I'm gonna put just 3/4 of the whole amount that I have. Now I'm using dark cocoa powder. I like to sift the cocoa powder because it creates like little balls, so when you sift it, it's completely smooth. Cocoa powder goes in. And now we're gonna add some chia seeds. The chia seeds, what will do, will actually help the mixture to thicken up. It's also called almond because I'm putting almond butter. You could switch up the recipe and put your favorite nut butter in here. This recipe is straight out of my cookbook. You could find it at oneweekchef.com, and inside I'm saying different things that you could use. We're gonna flavor it with a little bit of vanilla extract and your favorite sweetener. I'm using stevia, so it's basically sugar-free. And the rest of the milk that I have, I like to put it on top. But doing it this way, when we're mixing it, it's not gonna get stuck. All right, and now we're gonna blend it until it's completely smooth. All right, and now we're gonna portion it. Each serving size is about 1/2 cup. Now this will go in the refrigerator for 3 hours. The chia seeds will start blooming and it's gonna make it more gelatinous. So it's like a fantastic pudding. So I'll see you in 3 hours. Three hours later and our chocolate mousse is ready. You could top it off with walnuts, almonds, or my favorite, hazelnuts. If you want to see more recipes like this one, make sure that you like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below on what you would like to learn next. This recipe is inside my book, found at oneweekchef.com with 84 more delicious recipes.